Think you know your general knowledge? 50 questions, 3 options, only one correct answer. Let's see how many you can get right, starting now. 1. Which animal is famous for using rocks to crack open shellfish? Two. Which country is home to the ancient city of Petra? Three. What instrument is used to measure air pressure? Four. Which fruit is traditionally dried to make prunes? Five. Which animal carries its young in a pouch? Six. Which country is famous for the traditional dish called paella? Seven. What is the main ingredient in traditional hummus? Eight. Which bird can hover in one place while flying? Nine. Which country is home to Machu Picchu? Ten. What is the process called when plants release water vapor? Eleven. Which animal has a long tongue specially adapted for catching ants? Twelve. Which country is home to the city of Marrakesh? Thirteen. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Fourteen. Which ocean surrounds the Maldives? 15. What traditional Japanese food is made from fermented soybeans? 16. Which bird is famous for being able to rotate its head dramatically? 17. Which country is home to the ancient ruins of Angkor Wat? 18. What is the colored part of the human eye called? 19. Which fruit has fuzzy brown skin and bright green flesh? 20. Which country is famous for the Blue Lagoon? 21. Which animal is known for building dams? 22. What do you call a group of crows? 23. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? 24. Which organ stores bile before it is released into the digestive system? 25. Which animal is famous for its black and white striped coat? 26. Which country is famous for the traditional dance called flamenco? 27. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? 28. Which animal can change both the color and texture of its skin? 29. Which country is home to Mount Kilimanjaro? Thirty. Which common vegetable is actually an underground stem? (31) Which animal is known for having a trunk? (32) What is the largest species of penguin? (33) Which country is home to the ancient temples of Bagan? (34) What is the layer of gases surrounding Earth called? (35) Which animal can survive for long periods without drinking water by getting moisture from its food? (36) Which country is famous for sushi? (37) What is the longest bone in the human body? (38) Which animal has 3 hearts? (39) Which country is home to the Serengeti? (40) What do silkworms produce? (41) Which fruit is dried to make raisins? (42) Which country is home to the ancient city of Ephesus? 43. Which animal can regenerate lost arms? 44. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? 45. Which country is famous for the floating markets of Bangkok? 46. Which animal is known for storing food in its cheek pouches? 47. Which country is home to the ancient city of Timbuktu? 48. What is the process called when a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly? 49. Which animal has fingerprints that can closely resemble human fingerprints? 50. Which country is famous for the ancient rock churches of Lalibela? 'And that's all 50 questions. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and see if you can beat everyone else. Follow for more challenging quizzes.